Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today I am doing from Saral Bhasha textbook. Okay. If you are a CBSE student, then it will be for first grade, grade 1. If you are ICSE student, then it will be for you grade 2. Okay. So take out children, grade 2 and grade 1 children. Take out your textbook, Saral Bhasha Hindi textbook. Today I am just doing annual revision for all the chapters. Okay. Okay, everybody know this Varnamala. So from where you have started this annual revision, only that part I will take. Okay. So here A ki matra. A ki matra. जाल, तारा, छाता, गमला, कान, माला, बालक, तालाब, कार, ताला, पालक, टमाटर, बाजा, माता, गाजर, बरसात. Okay. Here we have A ki matra, a small poem. Okay. The name of a poem is Kahana Man. Kahana Man. Kahana Man means obey my words. Obey whatever I am telling. You will obey your parents, right? Like that. Okay. So let's start. राजन माता का कहना मान. राजन माता का कहना मान. घर पर ताला लगा. घर पर ताला लगा. ताला लगाकर कार चला. ताला लगाकर कार चला. कार चलाकर बाजार जा. कार चलाकर बाजार जा. बाजार जाकर पालक ला. बाजार जाकर पालक ला. Okay, so in this wherever the red line or pink line you can see, that is A ki matra. Okay, so let's turn the page. So here you can see exercise. Umbrella will call it as chhata. Umbrella will call it as chhata. Ship will call it as nav. Ship will call it as nav. Lock will call it as tala. Tala. Car will call it as car. Ear will call it as kan. All words are A ki matra words, right? Next. So you have to see the picture and you have to write the word for that. What is this? It's a pomegranate. Anar. Pomegranate, anar. Mother, mata. Mother, mata. Carrot, gajar. Carrot, gajar. Tabla, we'll call it as tabla only. Tabla. Net, jala. Net, jala. Spinach, palak. Spinach, palak. Ship, now. Ship, now. Chhata you have to written like this. Chhata you have to write like this. Okay, this is cow. Cow is guy. Cow is guy. Umbrella, chhata. Chhata. Pot, gamla. Flower pot, gamla. A boy, ladka. Ladka. Tomato, tamatar. Tamatar. Next, write the names of the pictures and complete the sentence. Raja, baja, baja. Raja, baja, baja. Ram, tala, laga. Actually children, you have to write on this line. See, you should not write top of this. You should write like this here, tala. Like this you should write. It's okay. In some schools they will write like that, in some schools they will write like that. No problem. राम ताला लगा. राम ताला लगा. आकाश आम खा. Mango will call it as aam. Lock will call it as tala. This baja, this musical instrument called it as baja. Akash means a boy name. Aam kha. So Akash eat mango. Balak tabla rakh. Balak means a boy. Tabla rakh. Keep that tabla. Hey boy, keep that tabla. Kamla mala pahan. Kamla mala pahan. Mala means garland. Flower garland. Next, E की मात्रा also is there. कवि, छोटे E की मात्रा this is. कवि, पिता, गिलास, गिन, सितार, खटिया, दिन, किताब, नारियल, किला, तकिया, Kishmish. This poem you have to recite. Okay, they can ask in your orals. All the poem you can recite, children, because we don't know which poem they will ask. Okay, so this poem name is Din Nikal Aya, means the day has come. The day has come. Din Nikal Aya. Okay, let's start. Nisha Bitiya Ut. Nisha Bitiya ut. Bitiya means daughter. So Nisha daughter, get up. Din nikal aaya. Din nikal aaya. Takiya hata. Takiya hata. Takiya means pillow. Takiya hata. Ab sitar baja. Sitar means violin. Ab sitar baja. Kishmish kha. Kishmish means raisins. Kishmish kha, the dry fruit, raisins, that one. Kishmish kha. Mithai kha. Mithai means sweet. Mithai kha. Kha means eat. Ab kitab pad. Kitab means textbook. Pad means read. Now read the textbook. Okay. Nisha bitiya ut. Din nikal aaya. Takiya hata. Ab sitar baja. Kishmish kha. Mithai kha. Ab kitab pad. Then for bird we'll call it as chidiya. For bird we'll call it as chidiya. For coconut, tender coconut, we'll call it as nariyal. Coconut, we'll call it as nariyal. Farmer, we'll call it as kisan. Farmer, kisan. Glass, gilas. Glass, gilas. Guitar, guitar. Guitar, guitar. Little pronunciation will change, children, in all the languages. You have to identify the pictures and write their names. What is this? Deer, hiran. Deer, hiran. Airplane, viman. Airplane, viman. Book, kitab. Book, kitab. Aman, chidiya, mat pakad. Aman, chidiya, mat pakad. Aman, don't touch bird. Don't touch the bird. Don't catch the bird. Pakad means catch. Nisha takiya hata. Nisha takiya hata. Takiya means pillow. Nisha, take out your pillow. Next, Rajan guitar baja. Rajan, play the guitar. Raman chidiya ghar chal. Raman chidiya ghar chal. Chidiya ghar means where all the birds will be there, no? The house of the birds. That one will call it as a chidiya ghar. Raman, come let's go to chidiya ghar. Come let's go to like zoo, animals, where all the birds will be there, no? Like that. Kamal kavita suna. Kavita means poem. Kamal kavita suna. Kamal, say me any poem. Okay. Next, what is this? Write the names of the pictures and complete the sentences. Bitiya khatiya par chad. Khatiya means like this, bed. Okay. बिटिया खटिया पर चढ़, बिटिया means daughter, चढ़ means climb on this. मित्र गिटार बजा, मित्र means friend, मित्र गिटार बजा. So this image only you have to write the word. मित्र means friend, गिटार बजा, play this guitar. किरण तकिया पर सिर रख, किरण तकिया पर सिर रख. So Kiran, place your head on this pillow. निशा गिलास रख, निशा place that glass, place that or keep that glass. रवि किताब पढ़, रवि read this book. Okay, then ई की मात्रा, ई की मात्रा, बड़े ई की मात्रा we'll call. तीर, कली, दीदी, शरीर, परी, घड़ी, थाली, दीपक, चील, खीरा, साड़ी, लकड़ी, जीभ, हाथी, गठरी, पपीता. नेक्स्ट, बकरी की शादी. बकरी मीन्स गोट, शादी मीन्स मैरिज, द गोट्स मैरिज. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड. एक दिन बकरी की शादी थी, एक दिन बकरी की शादी थी. वन डे द गोट मैरिज वॉज देयर. सभी बाराती सज धज कर आ गए. all the like relatives, all the guests have they have nicely, they have makeup nicely, they have dressed and they came. चीता मिठाई लाया. The cheetah got sweets. बाघ खीर लाया, बाघ खीर लाया, बाघ खीर लाया means the tiger bought खीर, sweet. बागिन नीली साड़ी पहन मटक मटक कर नाची. बागिन means the बाघ wife. The बाघ wife is बागिन. So she wore a blue color sari and she danced nicely. So she is a बागिन. हाथी शहनाई बजाता आया. हाथी means elephant. So हाथी was playing a शहनाई, this baja. हथिनी गीत गाती आई. So हाथी's wife is हथिनी. So she's singing and coming. फिर सब मीठी मीठी इमरती खाकर घर वापस गए. So everybody had sweet. Imarti is a sweet. Okay, it's a Indian sweet. Indian sweet. That one everyone ate and everyone went. So what is this? This is CT. Whistle, no? CT. Elephant, hathi. Arrow, तीर. Sugarcane, ईख. Fish, मछली. Next, परी, angel. Clock, घड़ी. Log, लकड़ी. पपाया, पपीता. दादी जी दीपक जल गया. दादी जी दीपक जल गया. मीना लीची चख. मीना लीची चख. मीरा लाल साड़ी पहन. मीरा लाल साड़ी पहन. मदन ककड़ी खा. Kakadi means cucumber, sadi means sari, lychee means lychee fruit. Deepak means diya, which one will lighten up, no, in front of the god, that one. Madan kakadi kha. Kakadi means cucumber. Raman siti baja, whistle, play the whistle. See, this is arrow, teer. Cucumber, khira. Fish, machali. Elephant, hathi. दीपक दिया दीपक. Whistle CT. Next, ऊ की मात्रा. ऊ की मात्रा. कुल, गुम, दुकान, पुलिस, खुश, मुख, गुलाब, बुढ़िया, घुरी, पशु, कुटिया, चूहिया, पुल, धनुष, बटुआ, बुखार. Here the poem name is Madad Karna. Madad means help. Karna, do. So do help, helping. Okay, Madad means help. Okay, let's start. कुसुम दादी का हाथ पकड़. The girl name is Kusum. Dadi means grandma. कुसुम दादी का हाथ पकड़. कुसुम hold grandma's hand. हाथ पकड़कर पुल पार करा. हाथ पकड़कर पुल पार कर means hold grandma's hand and cross the bridge. पुल means bridge. Cross the bridge. पुल पार कर दादी खुश हुई. पुल पार कर दादी खुश हुई. When grandma crossed that bridge, she was very happy. दादी गुड़िया व जामुन लाई. दादी गुड़िया व जामुन लाई. So grandma bought doll and jamun, fruit. फिर कुसुम ने खुशी मनाई. That time again Kusum was very happy. Next, this is pull, bridge, pull. बो धनुष. बो धनुष. tortoise कछुआ. tortoise कछुआ. जामुन a plum fruit. जामुन. soap साबुन. soap साबुन. wallet बटुआ. wallet बटुआ. so mice will call it as चूहिया. mice will call it as चूहिया. Turtle will call it as kachua. Turtle or tortoise will call it as kachua. Hut will call it as kutiya. Hut will call it as kutiya. Bulbul, the bulbul bird will call it as bulbul. Doll, gudiya. Doll, gudiya. Rose, gulab. Rose, gulab. See, you have to complete, you have to put U ki matra and you have to complete the word. Kuli, madhur, chuhiya. See here, kuli, madhur, chuhiya, gulab, surahi, dukan. Okay? Next, U ki matra. U ki मात्रा. दूध, आलू, काजू, कबूतर, झूला, मूली, सूरत, जादूगर, फूल, पूजा, खजूर, कूलर, चूहा, जूता, फुलदान, शहतूत. Okay, turn the page. Next we have the poem भालू का नाच. भालू का नाच. नाच means dance. भालू means bear. Okay, the bear dance. So let's start. भालू वाला आया. भालू वाला आया. काला भालू लाया. काला भालू आया लाया. So the भालू वाला person came and he bought a black bear. काला means black. डमरू की आवाज पर भालू. डमरू की आवाज पर भालू झूम झूम कर नाचा. झूम झूम कर नाचा. When he started hitting the drums, no, he started dancing. झूम झूम कर नाचा means he danced very nicely. bear. राजू तू भी जा. दूध पी कर जा. राजू you also go but drink milk and go. दूध means milk. नीलू झूल झूल कर जा. नीलू झूल झूला झूल कर जा. ओके. भालू वाला आया. काला भालू लाया. डमरू की आवाज पर भालू झूम झूम कर नाचा. राजू तू भी जा. दूध पी कर जा. नीलू झूला झूल कर जा. नेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज. guava will call it as amrood. Guava will call it as amrood. Puri will call it as pudi. Puri will call it as pudi. Pigeon will call it as kabutar. Pigeon, kabutar. Shoe, juta. Shoes will call it as juta. Sun will call it as suraj. Sun will call it as suraj. Next, you have to put U ki matra and you have to complete the word. Neelu, Neelu is a girl name. Cooler, cooler. खरबूजा, खरबूजा means muskmelon. Cooler means cooler. दूध, दूध means milk. कूड़ा, कूड़ा means what we'll say garbage. तरबूज, तरबूज means watermelon. Identify the picture and write their names. Swing, झूला. Swing will call it as झूला. Mouse will call it as चूहा. Bear will call it as भालू. Potato will call it as आलू. Radish will call it as मूली. Radish will call it as मूली. Weighing machine will call it as तराजू. Weighing machine will call it as तराजू. Next, ए की मात्रा. ए की मात्रा. खेत, केला, पहेली, चमेली, जेल, मेला, सफेद, लालटेन, तेल, सपेरा, हथेली, परदेश, सेब, सहेली, सवेरा, रेलगाड़ी. Next we have the story, that one, नेवल के साथी. नेवल, नेवले, नेवले के साथी. नेवले के साथी. So let's read this. एक नेवला था, एक नेवला था, वहां बहुत तेज था. वहां बहुत तेज था. नेवले का एक साथी था केकड़ा. नेवले का एक साथी था केकड़ा. एक दिन नेवला व केकड़ा खेल रहे थे. एक दिन नेवला व केकड़ा खेल रहे थे. खेलते खेलते नेवला सेब के पेड़ पर चढ़ गया. खेलते खेलते नेवला सेब के पेड़ पर चढ़ गया. तभी नेवले ने एक शेर देखा. नेवला मीन्स दिस. ओके, दिस इज नेवला, दिस इज केकड़ा, दिस इज शेर, लायन. ओके, तभी नेवले ने एक शेर देखा, वहां डर गया. शेर ने कहा, डरना मत, मुझे सेब खिलाओ. नेवले ने पेड़ से उसे मीठे सेब दिए. शेर ने उसे अपने पास बुलाया. नेवले, केकड़े और शेर ने मिलकर सेब खाए, फिर खेलकर घर चले गए. So this is all about the story for this. साथी means friend. नेवले के friend means friends of नेवले. He is नेवला, he is केकड़ा, he is शेर. एक नेवला था, there was one नेवला. वह बहुत तेज था, he was very fast. नेवले का एक साथी था केकड़ा. So नेवल has one friend, that is केकड़ा. एक दिन नेवले व केकड़े खेल रहे थे. One day these both were playing. खेलते खेलते नेवले सेब को पेड़ पर चढ़ गया. So while playing they just नेवला सेब के. So this नेवला, so he climbed on this apple tree. तभी नेवले ने एक शेर देखा. That time only नेवले saw a lion. वहां डर गया. He got scared. शेर ने कहा, so that lion said, डरना मत, मुझे सेब खिलाओ. So don't get scared. Give me सेब. I want to eat apple. सेब is equals to apple. So don't get scared. Just give me one apple. I want to eat apple. Like that lion said. नेवले ने पेड़ से उसे मीठे सेब दिए. So that नेवल had climbed up on that apple tree. No, he gave apples to him. शेर ने उसे अपने पास बुलाया. So lion called near to him. नेवले, केकड़े और शेर ने मिलकर सेब खाए. All together they ate apple. फिर खेलकर घर चले गए. And they played and they went back to their home. Okay, next. लाल मीठा सेब चख. लाल मीठा सेब चख. सेब means apple. लाल मीठा, लाल means red, मीठा means sweet. चख means eat or taste. वन का राजा शेर आया. वन means forest, राजा means king, शेर means lion, आया means came. दादी लालटेन लेकर चली. लालटेन means this lamp. दादी लालटेन लेकर चली. Grandma has took this lamp and went. Chali means went, is going, like that. Neha kela kha. Neha eat banana. Next, again you have to put here एक ही मात्रा. केला, banana, देर, late, खेल, play, रेत, sand, ठेला, shop, खेत, farm. Here you have to write a name. Apple we'll call it as सेब. Oil we'll call it as तेल. Palm we'll call it as हथेली. Palm we'll call it as हथेली. Jasmine we'll call it as चमेली. चमेली. Snake, they will take a snake, no? For that person we'll call it as a sapera. Sapera. Who will make snake to dance, no? That person will call it as sapera. Train will call it as rail gadi. Rail gadi. Next is I की मात्रा. I की मात्रा. Sair, गैस, थैला, तैराक, नईन, बैट, पैसा, मैदान, पैर, नैया, कैमरा, शैतान, टैर, भैया, सैनिक, हैरान. Okay, next we have here मेला. मेला means fair. मेला means fair. घर के पास मैदान पर मेला लगा था. कैलाश भैया नैनीताल से वापस आ गए. Near to the home there was a fair and Kailash brother came from Nainital. Nainital is a place. उनके साथ वैभव और शैलेश भी आए. With him वैभव and शैलेश also came. भैया ने आते ही माता पिता के पैर छुए. When elder brother came, that time he took blessing from the parents. How will take the blessing from the parents? Will touch their feet, right? भैया को देखकर नैना बहुत खुश हुई. So when Naina saw elder brother, Naina was very happy. Naina is a girl name. हम सब बैलगाड़ी पर बैठकर मेले देखने गए. Everyone we sat on the bullock cart and we went to see the fair. माता जी ने थैला भरकर खाने का सामान रखा. So mother has kept all the food items in one bag. थैला means bag. मेले से आते समय हम सबने तलैया के भीतर नैया भी चलाई. So near to the seashore, there we went for the ride also. We went for the ship ride also. फिर खुशी खुशी घर आ गए. Everyone was very happy and we reached home. So what is this bag? Bag will call it as a not kela, sorry, it's thaila. Okay. Ship will call it as naiya. Leg will call it as pair. Soldier will call it as sainik. कैलाश थैला ला. कैलाश थैला ला. सैनिक का आदर कर. We should respect soldier. Kailash get the bag. यहाँ नैया बहुत बड़ी है. This ship is very big. यहाँ बैल बहुत सुंदर है. बैल means buffalo, not a cow. बैल means buffalo. यहाँ बैल बहुत सुंदर है. This buffalo is beautiful. Next you have to make it here. You have to write the names of these pictures. Identify and write. This is bail, buffalo. Maina, maina bird, maina. I, nine. Tairak, tairak means swimming. Bat, bite. Camera, chimera. Okay. Next, O की मात्रा. O की मात्रा. गोला, रोटी, कोयल, टोकरी, तोता, सोना, बोतल, लोमड़ी, रोना, टोपी, समोसा, दोपहर, घोड़ा, ढोलक, कटोरी, अखरोट. Okay, here we have चिड़िया घर की सैर. चिड़िया घर की सैर. चिड़िया घर means zoo. Okay, चिड़िया घर की सैर. सैर means roaming, going like that. Okay. मोहन, सोहन, रोहित और मोहित सोमवार को चिड़िया घर गए. The four boys named called मोहन, सोहन, रोहित, मोहित. सोमवार Monday they went to चिड़ियाघर. चिड़ियाघर में उनको सफेद घोड़ा और नाचता हुआ मोर दिखाई दिया. इन चिड़ियाघर they saw a white horse. सफेद white horse. नाचता हुआ मोर means dancing peacock. So they saw. रोहित को एक जगह अनेक खरगोश दिखे. रोहित has one place he saw so many rabbits. खरगोश means rabbit. एक जगह लोमड़ी बैठी थी. लोमड़ी means one side they saw there was a fox sitting. एक पेड़ पर कोयल कूक रही थी. In one tree there was on the tree there was cuckoo bird. उसकी मीठी कूक सुनकर सब बहुत खुश हुए. When the cuckoo bird will sing, no, when cuckoo bird will make a noise, that time everyone were very happy. शाम होते ही सब घर वापस आ गए. When the evening time, everyone came back to home. So which one is O की मात्रा? You have to circle that words. टोकरी, किलो, कोयल, खरगोश, मोर, ओखली, लोमड़ी, पोटली, गोल, ओस, टोपी. Here again you have to put O की मात्रा and you have to write the proper word. धोती, चोटी, समोसा, सरोवर, टोपी, लोग, भोजन, दोपहर. Fill in the blanks. सोहन कोलकाता से आया. सोहन came back from कोलकाता. बोतल मेज पर रख. बोतल means bottle. Keep it on the table. मेज means table. हाथ धोकर भोजन करना चाहिए. हाथ means hand. We should wash our hand before we are eating any meals. We have to wash. भोजन means meals. कोयल पेड़ पर बैठी है. The cuckoo bird has sat on the tree. पेड़ means tree. बैठी means sat. शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. औ की मात्रा. सौ, पौधा, दौलत, तौलिया, दौड़, फौजी, चौखट, पकौड़ी, शौक, नौका, खिलौना, बिछौना, बौना, लौकी, चौकोर, चौकीदार. Then here we have a poem called Mausi Ai. Mausi means auntie. Mausi Ai. Okay, Mausi had come. Mausi has come. Mausi Ai, Mausa Ai. Auntie and uncle came. Aunt and uncle came. Garam garam pakode लाए. So they bought hot bhaji. साथ में कचौड़ी भी लाए. With that they bought कचौरी also. मौसी मौसा चौकी पर बैठे. So they sat on the stand. They sat on the chowki means the small table will be there, no? That. They sat on the table and uncle and aunt. और मजे से कुछ तो खा लो. और मजे से कुछ तो खा लो. गौरी अब तुम चाय लाओ. सब मिलकर मौज मनाओ. So everyone came. Whatever you want you eat and be happy. And we will enjoy all together. That is what this Mausi Ai. Ship, we'll call it as Nauka. Bottle guard, we'll call it as Lauki. Towel, we'll call it as Tauliya. Flower pot, we'll call it as Paudha. So that is Gamla. So Paudha, only the plant, we'll call it as Paudha. Woman, we'll call it as Aurat. Woman, we'll call it as Aurat. Hammer, we'll call it as Hathauda. Okay. Then U ki matra and write the complete word. Sau, 100 means sau. Crow, कौवा. Sainik, फौजी. Chowki only this one. Whenever any guest will come, no, they will sit on that chowki, no, in olden days. Okay, still in some villages they will sit on this only. Chowki, woman, औरत. Security guard, चौकीदार. मेरे घर पर गुलाब का पौधा है. मेरे घर पर गुलाब का पौधा means I have at my home. I have rose plant at my home. पौधा means plant. गुलाब means rose. देखो यहाँ औरत कितनी सुंदर है. Look at this woman. She is very beautiful. मेरे पास बहुत सारे खिलौने हैं. I have so many toys. मौसी कचौड़ी लाई है. My aunt bought कचौरीज. Then we have की मात्रा अनुसार का प्रयोग. अनुस्वार का प्रयोग. रंग, अंधा, पंखा, संतरा, हंस, डंडा, जंगल, पलंग, शंख, झंडा, कंगन, मंदिर, चंदा, कंधा, बंदर, चंदन. Here patang means kite. Patang means kite. Anshu, Manshu और उमंग. There are 3 boys here. Anshu, Manshu और उमंग निकल पड़े लेकर पतंग. They have left and they took a kite and they have left to play. Okay. Anshu की है लाल पतंग. Anshu has a red kite. Manshu की है हरी पतंग. Manshu has a green kite. उमंग की है पीली पतंग. उमंग has yellow kite. सब उड़ती है हवा के संग. So all the kites will fly with the wind. दिखती है वो बड़ी ही प्यारी. देखो देखो पतंग हमारी. So look at our kites. It look very beautiful. Okay. लाल means red. हरी means green. पीली means yellow. Then we have अनुनासिक. Anunasik. This one will call it as a Chandra Bindu. Okay. And will call it as a Bindu. This one will call it as a Chandra Bindu. मोह, गेहूं, दांत, पांच, पूंछ, ऊंट, कुआं, आंगन, बूंद, सांप, कांच, बांसुरी, मूछ, पांव, धुआं, अंगूठा. मेरा गांव means मेरा means my, गांव means village. मेरा गांव, my village. यहाँ मेरा गांव है. This is my village. यहाँ लोग ऊंट पर बैठकर यात्रा करते हैं. Here everyone will travel with the camel. यहाँ चारों ओर रेत ही रेत है. Here everywhere you can see only sand. रेत के ढेर बहुत ऊंचे हैं. The sand were very high, very like a mountain. All the sands like that it will be. ऊंट रेत पर बहुत तेज भाग सकता है. The camel can run very fast in the sand because of their feet. ऊंट रेगिस्तान का जहाज कहलाता है. ऊंट will call it as a रेगिस्तान. रेगिस्तान means desert. जहाज means ship. So camel will call it as a ship of the desert. कुआं हमारे घर से 5 कोस दूर है. कुआं means well. So if they want any water, no children, they have to walk very long. Okay, so 5 कोस means 5 kilometers far, like that she is telling. Okay, next आहा विसर्ग की मात्रा. आहा दुख, शनैः, अंतत, स्वतः, अतः, प्रायः, फलत, पुनः. नमः करो means whenever you will see your teachers, you will show the greetings, no, you will tell the greetings, no, good morning ma'am, good afternoon ma'am, that one. नमः करो, नमः means greetings. माया और उसका भाई प्रातः 6 बजे उठते हैं. माया and her brother, they will get up 6 o'clock in the morning. ईश को नमः करते हैं. So they will greet the ईश. ईश means ईश्वर. शनै शनै अपना दैनिक कार्य करते हैं. शनै शनै, you can check the शनै शनै here. Slowly they will do all the daily works. दैनिक कार्य means daily. कार्य means work. What and all you will go? You will get up, you will brush your teeth, you will take a bath. That all daily work, right? पाठशाला जाने से पहले वे अपने माता पिता को नमः करते हैं. So before going to school, they will greet their parents. They will touch their feet. They will take the blessings. Okay. माया कक्षा 6 में पढ़ती है. So माया is in 6th standard. वहाँ पुनः अपना पाठ पढ़ती है. She will repeat all her lessons. अतः कक्षा में सबसे आगे रहती है. In her class also she is first. She is like a forward in her class, means she is very good in reading. She is very good in studying. तुम भी अपने माता पिता को नमः करो. You also should greet your parents before your teacher. No children, parents will come, right? When you are coming from school, you have to take blessing from your parents. That is a very good habit. Okay? Yeah. Next, stick, we'll call it as danda. Stick, we'll call it as danda. Ring, we'll call it as anguthi. Ring, we'll call it as anguthi. Monkey, we'll call it as bandar. Monkey, we'll call it as bandar. Mustache, we'll call it as mooch. Mustache, we'll call it as mooch. Pratah means evening, we'll call it as pratah. Evening, we'll call it as pratah. Egg, we'll call it as anda. Egg, anda. 6 chah. 6 chah. Camel, we'll call it as oont. Then here you have to put bindu, chandra bindu or bindu. Angur, bindu will come. Oont, chandra bindu will come. Kangan, here bindu will come, not here. Not here, children, here it will come. Chand, chandra bindu will come. Patang, kite. Chand, moon. Angur, grapes. Oont, camel. Kangan, bangle. Dant, teeth. Tooth. मेरे घर के सामने एक कुआं है. In front of my house there was a well. There is a well. मुझे अंडा खाना अच्छा लगता है. I love to eat egg. ऊंट रेगिस्तान का जहाज कहलाता है. Camel is called as a ship of a desert. बालक पतंग उड़ा रहा है. The boy is flying a kite. रमन प्रातः नमः करता है. So Raman evening time he will do the prayer or greet. चंदन गंगा नदी के तट पर गया. चंदन went to गंगा नदी के तट पर means shore, bank of the river. ऊंट रेगिस्तान का जहाज कहलाता है. माता पिता को नमः करो. We should greet our parents. We should take a blessing from our parents. बच्चे आंगन में खेल रहे हैं. आंगन means courtyard. So all children are playing in courtyard. मदन फूल लेकर मंदिर गया. So Madan took flowers and went to the temple. मंदिर means temple. पिताजी सुबह 6 बजे उठते हैं. My father will get up morning 6 o'clock. This is 6, मंदिर, आंगन, नमः, ऊंट, गंगा. Okay, don't get confused. कंगन पहन. Speak and write neatly. Just you have to copy it. कंगन पहन means wear bangles. ऊंट एक सीधा सादा पशु है. The camel is very like good. सीधा सादा means simple animal. पशु means animal. दादाजी प्रातः पूजा करते हैं. Grandfather will do puja in the evening. morning. Okay, this one ri की मात्रा. Okay, ri की मात्रा. ri की मात्रा. नृप, दृढ़, कृषि, कृषक, घृत, वृक्ष, कृपा, कृतज्ञ, मृत, दृग, अमृत, वृषभ, तृण, ग्रह, मृदुल, घृणा. Then this one is not there, children. This one I'll just read. Deer, we'll call it as mrug. Deer, mrug. Sun, surya. Sun, surya. Train, train. And we'll call it as rail gadi also. Gram, a village. Gram. Sage, rishi. Sage, rishi. Mirror, darpan. Mirror, darpan. See, what is this? This is a tree. Tree we'll call it as a vruksh. Vruksh. This is a sun. Surya. This is a brush. Brush. This one is a graha. Planet. Graha. This is snake. Sarp. This is drum. Drum. Correct words given matra. So which matra is this? Ri ki matra. Krishak. R. Arkara R ki matra. Karma. This one can you see? Up. R ki matra. Chakra. R ki matra. Ru ki matra. Train. This is R ki matra. This is also R ki matra. This is also R ki matra. This is also Ri ki matra. Like that. Okay. They can give this one in your exams also, children. You can read it. Krupa, graha, matra, ghrita. Chakra, brush, kram, gram. Parva, varsha, shart, karm. Drum, train, truck, driver. Okay, then more. More is nothing but peacock. More is peacock. देखो देखो सुंदर मोर, रंग बिरंगा सुंदर मोर. Look at this beautiful beautiful peacock. Rang birange sundar more. They have different colors in the peacock. Neeli neeli kalgi wala. Neeli neeli kalgi wala. Lambi lambi gardan wala. So full it will be like blue color only. Neeli neeli means blue color. Lambi lambi means his neck will be very long. Gardan means neck. आंखें को लगता है, आंखों को लगता है प्यारा, बरखा आए नाचे मोर. So whenever we'll see peacock, our eyes will be very happy. Barkha means when it rains, it started dancing. Nache more, dance. Badal chaye nache more. Whenever the clouds will cover the sky, that time also they'll start dancing. Pankh phailakar nache more. They will open up all the feathers and they will dance. देखो देखो सुंदर मोर. Look at this beautiful peacock. नीली कलगी किस पक्षी की होती है? मोर. मोर कब नाचता है? बरसात में. बरसात मीन्स रेन. मोर की गर्दन कैसी होती है? लंबी. So how is the peacock neck? It will be very long. रंग बिरंगा सुंदर मोर. This one they can give in annual exam, children. रंग बिरंगा सुंदर मोर, नीली नीली कलगी वाला, पंख फैलाकर नाचे मोर. Okay, so this is रंग बिरंगा, पंख फैलाकर. Okay, so that's it, I guess. Just I will check. Yeah. This one children. बारिश आया. बारिश आई. बारिश means rain. बारिश आई झम झम झम. बारिश आई झम झम झम. लेकर छाता निकले हम. छाता मीन्स अम्ब्रेला. पैर फिसल गिरा गए हम. पैर फिसला गिर गए हम. सो आवर लेग्स गॉट स्लिप्ड एंड वी फॉल. ऊपर छाता नीचे हम. अप अम्ब्रेला एंड डाउन टू द अम्ब्रेला वी आर फॉल लाइक दैट. सी हियर. बारिश आई झम झम झम. लेकर साइकिल निकले हम. साइकिल मीन्स साइकिल, बाइसिकल. पहिया फिसला गिर गए हम. Again this tire got slipped. Again we fall down. ऊपर साइकिल नीचे हम. Top of us there is a cycle and down to the cycle we are there, like that. Just it's a poem. बारिश आई छम छम छम, अब नहीं हम में इतना दम, घर बैठे ही खेले हम, एक साथ मिल तुम और हम, मजा आ गया बम बम बम. Okay, what is this children? This is छाता. साइकिल, रेन बारिश, व्हील पहिया. लेकर छाता निकले हम, निकले छाता, ऊपर साइकिल नीचे हम, घर बैठे ही खेले हम, बारिश आई छम छम छम. बारिश आई ऊपर छाता, पहिया फिसला, पहिया मीन्स व्हील. Okay, then we have here school bus. This one not there. Okay, this one children. शरीर के अंगों के नाम, नेम ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स. नाक नोज, आंख आई, गर्दन नेक, जीभ टंग, दांत टीथ, कान ईयर, सिर हेड, पैर फुट, हाथ हैंड, उंगली फिंगर. ओके, देन यू हैव हियर पशुओं के नाम, नेम्स ऑफ एनिमल्स. शेर लायन, हाथी एलिफेंट, हिरन डीर, कुत्ता डॉग, गाय काउ, खरगोश रैबिट, भालू बेर, जिराफ, लोमड़ी फॉक्स, घोड़ा हॉर्स. Okay, so that's it children about this. Okay, this is Saral Bhasha for grade 1 and grade 2. Okay, that's it children. All the best for your exams. Do well. Bye bye children.